The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 returns as a pure, unapologetic expression of American muscle, raw, fast, and engineered for enthusiasts who crave a track-focused machine with road-going manners. As Chevrolet continues to evolve its performance lineup, the Z28 stands out as the most hardcore Camaro variant, blending lightweight construction, aerodynamic precision, and a naturally aspirated powerhouse designed to dominate both straightaways and corners. From the first glance, the 2026 Z28 radiates aggression. Its sculpted body features wider fenders, deep air channels, and a race-inspired front fascia that prioritizes cooling and downforce. Chevrolet has refined the aerodynamic profile with a large rear wing, a functional front splitter, and underbody elements that help keep the car planted at high speeds. Each curve feels engineered with purpose, not just style, but the Z28 still carries the unmistakable Camaro silhouette that muscle car fans adore. Inside the cockpit, the Z28 balances bold design with pure functionality. Lightweight sports seats, simplified digital displays, and motorsport-inspired controls emphasize performance first. There are no unnecessary luxuries. Everything is geared toward driving engagement. Premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber make the cabin feel high-tech and purposeful, while the driver-centered layout ensures total focus on the road ahead. Under the hood, the heart of the Z28 beats stronger than ever. While the performance department is known for experimenting with electrification, the Z28 remains loyal to its roots with a high-revving, naturally aspirated V8 designed for purists. This engine delivers exhilarating throttle response, a screaming redline, and a soundtrack that reminds you why combustion remains such an emotional experience. Every press of the pedal pushes the car forward with relentless intensity, while the lightweight components and optimized gearing turn that power into immediate acceleration. The chassis of the 2026 Camaro Z28 is engineered for razor-sharp precision. This model features an upgraded magnetic performance suspension, track-tuned dampers, and recalibrated stability systems that enhance cornering capabilities without compromising the driver's sense of control. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 represents the essence of American performance philosophy. It's a machine crafted not to be the most comfortable or the most luxurious, but the most thrilling. It celebrates speed, control, and the raw emotion that comes from piloting a naturally aspirated muscle car in an era where the world is shifting rapidly toward electrification.